Hajj is a once-in-a-lifetime spiritual journey, and every pilgrim wishes to be well informed before or during the Hajj. Timely and correct information is therefore very important for every Hajj pilgrim. Even small updates about travel, accommodation, health, deposit of Hajj amount or procedures can make a big difference. The Hajj Committee of India shares all official announcements, notices and guidelines through Haj Suvidha app's circular section. Let us see how you can easily check these circulars. First, open the Haj Suvidha app on your mobile phone. On the opening screen, tap on the circulars section. Here, you can find all year-wise circulars issued by Hajj Committee of India, which include important announcements, official notices, policy updates, payment update of deposit for Hajj amount, releasing of waiting list of Indian pilgrims, allotment of Mihram quota, guidelines for Hajj 2026, 1447 Hijri. Hajj Committee of India encourages everyone to regularly check the circulars section in the Haj Suvidha app. For every pilgrim, at every moment, Government of India stands with you.